The mitochondrion structure has two separate membranes. We have the inner membrane and the outer membrane. There are other compartments known as the intermembrane space, cristae, and the matrix. The matrix is where Krebs cycle is going to happen. For the second phase of cellular respiration, this occurs in the mitochondrion. Pyruvic molecules that were produced during glycolysis in the cytosol are now transported inside the mitochondria. In this manner, pyruvate is converted to acetyl coenzyme A, wherein acetyl CoA will start to cycle in the tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle. Acetyl CoA is fed into the Krebs cycle. It undergoes transformation. We do not need to memorize all the reactions here, but what we have to remember is that carbon dioxide is being produced along with reducing equivalents like NADH, FADH2 are also produced in this process. Recall from glycolysis, we produce 2 moles of pyruvic acid. This was converted to acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of oxygen. Take note, for glycolysis, 90% of the chemical energy from glucose is still unused, locked in high energy electrons of pyruvic acid. This can be extracted if this goes to a series of reactions known as Krebs cycle and also oxidative phosphorylation. The Krebs cycle is the second stage of cellular respiration, named after Hans Krebs, a British biochemist in 1937. Here, pyruvic acid is broken down into carbon dioxide in a series of energy extraction reactions. Citric acid is the first compound formed in this series of reactions, so Krebs is sometimes called the citric acid cycle. The important products of the Krebs cycle includes ATP coming from GTP and the high energy electron carriers such as NADH and FADH2. Carbon dioxide is exhaled as a waste product. NADH and FADH2 are efficient electron carriers. They will be transporting the electrons they are carrying to the electron transport chain. Here, different complexes accept the electrons they carry, and at the same time, this will be coupled to the synthesis of ATP. Therefore, this explains why the mitochondrial structure provides adenosine triphosphate for cells to use. Take note that these processes are happening only if oxygen is present in the environment. If oxygen is absent, then fermentation will occur. That's it for today's lecture. I hope you learned the concepts of bioenergetics and stages of aerobic respiration. See you in these next lectures.